Welcome back, guys. It's been a while since my last upload. I'd like to apologize to you guys, especially my subscribers, for letting you down. Life's been kind of busy, and I've recently become a dad. It's been taking up a lot of my time. As much as I love making content and working on my cars, they've sort of come down on my priority list lately. There also hasn't been a lot going on with the car since the fall, but I was able to get started on taking the front end apart this weekend, so that's what I'm showing you guys here in this time lapse. Sadly, the Mark II won't be on the road next year, and part of it is because I won't be able to fix some rust and rot around the car. Another reason is because I won't be eligible for classic car insurance till 2021, so I plan on just waiting till then and focus on building the car while I can afford the downtime. I also would like to thank you guys for subscribing and following me this year. We've seen some growth, but I plan to crank out even more videos and get more work done for my cars for 2020. I also took the time to reflect on how to get better, and I've been thinking about limiting the vloggy stuff, which I feel like is a very little benefit to you guys, and focus more on the build and content. Let me know how you feel about this in the comment section below. You'll probably see more voiceover videos like this. These past few months have also allowed me to think about the question, what makes a build? And personally, I feel like I haven't done enough to call this journey a build yet, but I'm excited for what I have planned for it next year. Comment below on what you guys are working on over the winter. Hearing about what you guys are up to really helps me stay motivated and inspired. It's been crazy because I've been putting this off for a while now, but I encourage you guys to get started on doing what needs to be done to build momentum. Stop over planning stuff. Use the SMART system to set goals and stick to a schedule, make a list, and just start picking away at it. Oh yeah, I haven't explained why I'm taking the front end apart. It's because I plan on pulling the motor and transmission next March, so that I can work on fixing some rust around the engine bay, and painting it over the summer. Alright guys, here I'm just showing you guys the rust. Everything that's rusty is going to get wire wheeled and be hit with PR15, maybe even some fiberglass or Bondo if it's necessary, and the whole bay is going to get painted a new color. I'm not going to spoil it to you guys yet, but yeah, this battery tray and this area here is a good example of what I'm working on, which is why the engine has to come out. This crossbar is going to the sandblasters next month, and it's going to get new powder coat. Also, there's this area here. Let me shine a light so you guys can see better. Yep, which is why the motor has to come out once again. Finally, there's this big hole here. I'm probably gonna have a friend come over to weld that up for me. But yeah, lots of work to do in the bay. If I'm feeling ambitious, I might even do a tuck. Oh yeah, I got these Zender turbos from my uncle, so if you missed that, that's what I'm using on the car now. This 50mm Euro manifold is going on the car, along with an intake cam that I scored off the classifieds this year. So yeah, exciting stuff. Next month these fenders are coming off, as well as these rear flares, because there's some rust underneath there. I'm also not going to forget about the rear bumper. So yeah, that's it guys. This motor is going to be lifted up and pulled away from the car is how we're going to do it. So if you haven't already, subscribe to keep up with this build. I'm really excited. Thanks for your support. Always count your blessings. I'll see you guys next year. Peace.